for us, pray for our souls, and show us a street of Macau too. Will you? Saint Roque will be our guide. He has nothing to hide. With Saint Roque leading the way, we won't go astray. Oh, Saint Roque, take us down the street, guide us down the path, show us the way. Saint Roque will be our guide. He has nothing to hide. With Saint Roque leading the way, we won't go astray. Oh, Saint Roque, take us down the street, guide us down the path, show us the way. Saint Roque, show me Macau, show me the way. Show me, show me, show me, show me today. Show me your street, show me the path, guide me. Saint Roque will be our guide. He has nothing to hide. With Saint Roque leading the way, we won't go astray.
Okay, we're going to be going down this street, which is called Saint Roque. So it's named after a saint. And I think the spelling is in Portuguese. And it's not a saint I'm so familiar with, even though I grew up as a Catholic as well. Irish, American Catholic. But nonetheless, we're going to go down this street that's called Saint Roque, and then we're going to end up way down there. And there's a lot of really beautiful, beautiful things down there, so definitely stay to the end so you can see what that looks like. And there's also some interesting stuff down this way. There's like this little thing, and there's a hospital there. I'll probably talk about that as well. So let's go check out Saint Roque Street in Macau. Okay, Saint Roque Street in Macau. So let me put this up on the map for you so you can see exactly where we are. We're in the St. Lazarus district. So Saint Roque, St. Lazarus. So it's definitely has Portuguese influenced names. And this whole area is a little bit newer than other parts of Macau, maybe like 1800s, kind of in that area. And we're also going to show you the lyrics of the song because I wrote a song for Saint Roque, and then that's in the beginning, and then I'm going to do the walk and talk where I go through and you can hear the narration of it. So okay, Saint Roque Street in Macau in St. Lazarus district. Let's go do it. So Saint Roque, I just want to share, like, I wish that there's a thing that goes like down like that and then goes up, and that's São Januário Hospital. And I wish that we could didn't have buildings there and you could just see the way that road goes, because it's actually kind of like a San Francisco-esque when you can get it from the right angle, which we can't, but we can on a different street where we look down. This guitar place right here. And before we go down, we also have this hill right here, so you can go up into these steps up that way or up that way, and then you kind of go up and over. So there's a ton of apartments right in that space as well. So that's our street sign right there, Saint Roque. There's a guitar with a student in there. So let's go check it all out. I'm gonna come across a little bit. So today is a Wednesday. There's a place called Seoul right there, Seoul Tower. It's kind of interesting because you have Macau Tower as well, right? And then there's a barber shop. There's Seoul Tower, Dream, and then there's a barber shop right there called the Macau Barber, which is actually a great place. A lot of Portuguese community will get their haircut there, and Macanese, Chinese, and then myself as well. I just got a haircut there just moments ago, which is why I'm over here. And we also have some antique shops. Somebody parked right there in the road. There's an antique shop. Kind of want to check it out, but I kind of want to keep going as well. So we're going to get into this more colorful side of Saint Roque. So that particular block that we're on was a little bit more drab, but this one is a lot more colorful, and a lot more tourists come down this way as well. So that one goes up into, there's another hospital up that way, and then let me just kind of see and try to get across this after these cars go by. Okay, so that is kind of that concave right there where it goes down and up. That's called Brandau. Then we're gonna keep on going down this way, and then this one is Three Sardines. It's a nice Portuguese owned shop, Portuguese tavern, Três Sardinhas. I really like that place. I just haven't really had an opportunity to go there very often, just a couple times. But I love the architecture and the street, so they have a great space, and I kind of hope that that space can get more. I hope that this whole space, I mean, will get more businesses like that, because this is such a great area. It's called Lazarus. But you have like this bakery right here, gelato bakery. You got definitely interesting stuff. Oh, this is like an abandoned space in here. I wish that was not abandoned. And actually you can see other ones that might, like, all this one has these letters on them, so that means that this whole building is probably not so this has nice windows here, that has nice windows there that are open. That could be closed with that sign on it. But that whole building with those 4 windows right there and the balcony, it looks like that's closed. It also looks like this one is closed too, with all the signs. That one right there, and also this one right here, Firma Santa, which is too bad. Yeah, and then this one must be closed because all the signs, all the mail, that one as well. Okay, so we're on St. Roque, which is right there, and then now we're on this area where there's a ton of cars parked in here. It's like a little parking lot. Usually this doesn't have a bunch of cars that are parked, but today they do. So I think this is actually not a street that you can park on, but today for whatever reason there's a lot of them. But if you go all the way up to that way, there's a nice little space right up in that corner right there. But I don't know why all these things are blocking like that. But anyways, that's St. Roque Street nonetheless. And all these cars are blocking today for some reason, and they're kind of parking here. Maybe they're gonna pick up kids over here. Yeah, I guess that, let's see what's happening here. So there's just like a whole row of cars that are parked here today. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's all these kids right there. So I guess that these are all parents waiting. So anyways, that's St. Roque Street, and then we have some parallel streets. This is the new street of Lazarus. And on that note, we're gonna end it. So this is our street. And a lot of times you'll have a lot of tourists here, but I guess on a Wednesday at around, it's about 4 p.m., 4:30 right now. I guess it looks like that. And this is St. Roque Street. So you got a little slice. This is in the St. Lazarus district. And I have other St. Roque streets. I'll probably explain a lot more about this district in other videos, but I think I'm going to come to an ending for this particular one. So hope you liked it.